So let's do the 16th problem. That is limit cos x upon pi minus x where x is approaching 0. Now this is very small problem, very simple problem. See, when you apply the value of x to the function, you'll get cos 0 upon pi minus 0. Now you know that cos 0 degree is 1. So 1 upon pi minus 0 is pi. That's it. This is the answer. Now let's do the 17th question. Okay. Now limit of this function has x approaching 0. Now when you apply the value of x in the function, you see it becomes indeterminate form, okay, because it becomes cos 0. Cos 0 is 1, okay, it becomes 1 minus 1. Here also cos 0 is 1, so 1 minus 1, which is indeterminate. So we will change this using some trigonometric formulas, okay. So we know we will use some formulas, okay. That formula is, so we'll use one formula, that is cos square x is equal to 1 minus 1 plus cos 2x, okay. Cos square x is equal to 1 plus cos 2x upon 2, and this can be, if we bring to the other side, can be written as 2 cos square x 1 plus cos 2x, okay. Now we want this 2x here, so we'll bring the 1 to the other side, okay. We'll take this to the other side, so it becomes 2 cos square x minus 1 equal to cos 2x, okay. You can write this in any form, okay. Cos 2x is equal to cos square x minus 1, this is one formula, or 2 cos square x is 1 plus cos 2x, or cos square x is equal to 1 plus cos 2x by 2. In any form you can write. Now here we require this type, this form. So cos 2x, now instead of this cos 2x, we'll write this, okay. So it becomes limit, now this we'll write, okay, instead of this, 2 cos square x minus 1 and this minus 1 upon cos x minus 1. Limit x tends to 0. Now you see this minus 1 and minus 1 become minus 2. So this will become 2 cos square x minus 2 upon x minus cos x minus 1, okay. Now if you take limit x tends to 0, now limit x tends to 0, now you can take this 2 common, okay, out. So 2 cos square x minus 1 upon cos x minus 1. Now you see this, if you put this becomes, if you put this again, 1 square here, 1 upon anything is 1, so if you put a square, this becomes, it represents a formula, this again becomes a formula, that is a square minus b square, which is equal to a minus b into a plus b, okay. So let's expand this according to this, in this way, okay. So this becomes limit x tends to 0 to, now we can write this one as a squared minus b square, okay. Expand it as this, so it becomes cos x minus 1 multiplied cos x plus 1, okay, whole divided by this denominator cos x minus 1. Now you see you can cancel out cos x minus 1 cos x minus 1. Now you have limit x tends to 0, you have 2 multiplied by cos x plus 1, okay. Now applying limit, you get, when you apply limit in this, you get 2 multiplied by cos 0 plus 1. Now you know cos 0 is, cos 0 degree is 1, so you get 2 multiplied by, or bracket, 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, so you get 2 multiplied 2, which is equal to 4. So this is the answer.